All. So now in this video, we'll talk about the different types of charts. So see, if you need to show something in proportionate, at the time, we can use couple of charts like pie chart, donut chart, and tree map. So in this case, let us use them, and I will take and we can simply see how it looks like. So let me insert a pie chart. So let me show you first how where these charts are. On the right hand side, you can see this is your pie chart, this is your donut chart, and this is your tree map. So these charts, please remember these charts usually use in whenever you want to show something in proportionate manner, like category wise revenue or category wise products. So at that time, these are the proportionate things, right? So at that time, you can use this pie chart, donut chart, or tree map. So simply suppose I want to see a category wise revenue over here, so which is a quite good, and let's do it. So let me take a donut chart for that. So preferably a donut chart is my favorite chart. I don't know why I like this chart, but yes, I do. So I prefer a donut chart. So you can use other charts also. So let me just align it. So I just want to keep things aligned, so later on it will not create a problem for us, is it? Okay, so let me just keep minimum difference between them, so I can put a line in between them. Okay, so what we want to check, we want a category wise revenue, right? So category name, for that we need a category name, right? Here just put this category name, okay, along with the revenue. Just click on it, it will automatically pop up. So right, so just let me do one thing. So we know that the format of this chart, we want to copy this format to assign this format to this chart. Okay, so just simply we have to click over here and just go on the home tab. Under the home tab, you can see the format painter. So why we are using this format painter? So it will later on it will save your time, is it? So if you go manually and if you go and do changes over here, so according to that the donut chart will get changed. So instead of that, you can simply click over here, go on the format painter and just click on the other chart. It will save your time. So let me show you couple of things. See here under the format visual, you can see the legends. If you turn on the legends, you can see the legends are here. Then data labels are on. These are the data labels. So you may have a doubt that we want to show the values. So again you have a couple of options for values, right? So here your title is a category name, right? Okay, this is your rotation. You can rotate this chart. Okay, so let's go to the general. Under the general, you can see the title. This is your title. So I don't like this title, revenue by category name. So I just want to keep these like revenue by category. So I want to remove the name of after the category. So here you can go and you can change. I'll just keep name over here, right? Again, if you want to keep the subtitle, so subtitle is under here, revenue by category name. So if you want, you can keep, but no need to keep it. Okay, the spacing is here, is given, so you can play around with it, right? So you will get a lot of things over here. Okay, so now I want to show you one thing. Let me see the table content. So you can see under the table content, accessories and bikes, you have couple of options here. So data values, percentage of total, category name, and data. If I click these three things, what I will show, see. So accessories, and the accessories are 3.64 and bikes are 94.89. So this are the cash accessory is 3.64, right, percentage. So if I clicked on the all the labels, so you can see the values. 23.64 million is your revenue and category is bike. So this is how the proportionate works, right? So I'll show you the another chart. If I clicked over here the tree map, you keep selected this particular donut chart and you can change the tree map. So you can see the bike, okay, and your accessories. This is the proportionate. So you can see this part, this green part is bikes because it has a more revenue than the bikes. So this is the proportionate part, right? If you click on the pie chart, you can get the same thing. So I preferably I want a donut chart. So now we have just keep these things aligned with this canvas. So I kept a little bit difference between. So later on it will be a very helpful for us to analyze it clearly, and the dashboard will be a clear out. So for the our client, right? So I'll go with the I'll go with the insert. Under the insert we have a different shapes. So I'll go with the line. I want to keep this line. Okay, I want to, you know, just, okay, you will get what I'm doing. I know. Let me check. Okay, is this aligned? Let me just little bit down, little bit. Okay, I hope. Okay, little bit up. Okay, so I just simply copy and paste this line, Control C, Control V. Next line I got. I'll just keep this line, head, this is not, I'll just have to just up this. Okay, and then another line I want to, you know, just I just have to rotate it. Okay, shape, style, general, properties. Okay, so I'm just you know, I want to rotate it to around 270 degree. So I want a vertical line. Okay, so let me just do this. I'll keep in between them. I hope that little bit difference I want. Yes, perfect. Okay, so you can do this similar way. I hope you understood that how we have inserted this donut chart, and I hope that you got the idea why we are using donut chart, pie chart, and this your tree map. These maps always, this chart always used to represent your proportionate part.